In this video, we will show an example of a linear regression. These observations were taken directly from a production environment, modifying only the input variable, and the external factors were not controlled. We select now the output variable y. We confirm the data, and the X1Y1 calculated table is executed. Then, we execute the visualization template. For this specific case, we can observe in the first graph that we have several observations outside of the prediction interval. If we review the statistic on row 45, we can realize that the prediction interval is 16.5%. This is also known as the error margin or uncertainty range. For this case, we have 272 observations. That, for a capability analysis, is good. But in a regression, we try to demonstrate the statistical relationship between two variables. Therefore, more observation is not necessarily better. Even though the prediction range is not ideal, our three statistics comply with our criteria, and therefore, we establish that there is a significant relationship between X and Y. Thank you, and see you in the next chapter.